Welcome to Elf Journey from the North Pole. In this game, players control Buddy the Elf as he journeys from the North Pole to New York City to meet his dad. Each player has a goal card featuring different locations they want Buddy to visit on his journey. As Buddy visits locations, they are assigned point values, which will be scored at the end of the game. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins. To get started, set up the game as shown in the instructions. The player whose birthday is closest to Christmas goes first. On your turn, you must move Buddy the Elf by playing at least one path card in front of him. Line up the line on the card with the arrowhead on the previous card, without overlapping them. If the previous card's arrowhead is in the corner, you can rotate the next path card any way you'd like. Each time you play a path card, move Buddy onto that card. After you've finished playing cards, draw 2 more path cards from the deck and play proceeds clockwise. If a newly placed path card touches any part of a location token, take that location token and place it in the first available leftmost scoring slot at the top of the board. The location is now worth the number of points shown under that slot at the end of the game for all players who have that location on their goal card. There are also 3 types of special locations that award points or special abilities when you play a path card that touches them. Gingerbread men score you extra points at the end of the game. Ice flows allow you to play your next path card on the ice flow on the other side of the board. Maple syrups allow you to draw an extra path card. The game ends either when all path cards are played or when a player reaches the New York City snow globe space. If a player lands on the New York City snow globe, they take the snow globe token, which is worth 2 points. To count your score, reveal your goal card and add up the points for each location Buddy visited during the game, as shown by the location token scoring slot at the top of the board. If he didn't visit a location, it's worth no points. Add any extra points you have from Gingerbread Men or the snow globe, and the player with the most points wins.